Crunch with hands resting. Instructions. Starting position. In a supine position, keep head and shoulders raised with your hands resting on the quadriceps. Try to keep your neck relaxed and focus on contracting the muscles of your abdomen. Muscle contraction. Contract your abdomen and lift the upper part of the torso, sliding your hands toward your knees. End of the exercise. Return to the starting position and relax the abdominal muscles. Muscles involved. Rectus abdominis. Breathing. Common mistakes: place your shoulders on the ground after descending. Doing so reduces the workload on the abdomen. P for P-cam. Crunch with hands resting. Recommended repetitions: beginner, intermediate, advanced,